Hello everyone, welcome back. It's been a while since I have done a Dollar Tree haul, so I thought I would show you the items I have bought over the last couple of weeks and come on here and do a video. So enough of the idle chit chat. Let's get started. Okay, first of all, let's start off with these glass knobs that my sister found at her Dollar Tree that I wasn't able to find at my Dollar Tree, but I needed them for a project that I needed to do. So here's the first one. It's a clear glass knob, and she bought me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these. And here is a blue one. It's like a baby blue, really pretty. And here is the clear glass, almost crystal looking. See that? And she got me 4 of those. And then some really light pink ones. These are really pretty. So I'll be able to be very creative with these, and my invention will not be missing these knobs. And she found those knobs in the hardware section of the Dollar Tree. So when you see them, you better grab them because they are gone like that. I should call this the hardware segment of my video. So here is an over-the-door hook. Also, I found some plant hooks, and I haven't decided if I'm gonna paint them or keep them this color, but we'll see as I go along. And also found some super glue, a 2-pack for $1.25. 2-pack or 2-pack, however you wanna say it. And I got some packing tape, clear packing tape, and also some silver duct tape. And I found these, the removable hooks. And what I like about them is that they have the wood. Look at that, they look wooden. They have a really unique look to them. And I also found some thumbtacks, some gold thumbtacks and silver thumbtacks, and a little nail, and it looked like some thumbtack kits. See the nails right there? And so those will come in very useful. I also found these picture frames, and you don't have to use these as picture frames. You can use them as a little shelf and attach them to a board or whatever your project might call for. And in one of my last DIY videos, you'll see that I did use these as a shelf, and I put a little succulent plant on them. I also found this to do the dishes, to clean out the glasses and your water bottle so you can get in the bottom. And I also found these scoops, these clear scoops, and can be used in the scoop for the fabric freshener. I guess you pour it inside your washing machine before you start the load, and you can pour that into some real pretty jars or containers and then use these scoops. So that's one good idea. I also found some more of these mirrors right here. I got 4 of them in the black, and they also have them in white. And also some dry erase boards, and it also comes with its own pen. And there's a tiny little eraser right there on top. You can see that. And in the Crafter's Square section, I found these adhesive cork sheets. And I think there's 2. Or is there only 1 in there? I think there's 2 in here. I'm not sure. I'd have to open. You know what? Let's open it instead of playing the guessing game. Let's see how many's in here. Get that bad boy open. Hope you all are having a great day. It is windy as all get out here in Colorado. We can't even decorate the patio yet. And some people in other states are decorating their patios, having their patios looking so pretty. We can't. You know what? It's only one. It's one in here. One cork board. And, oh, and I do have these plastic salad sets. And this is for a DIY. And I will show you all what I'm going to do on this DIY. And also in the Crafter's Square, I found this scraper. And as you can see, there's a line going across there. So I guess it pulls out and you can, you know what, let's open this one too. So we're not playing this game. Let's see if it opens up, if it even doesn't open up. Nope, it doesn't. It doesn't open. So this is the scraper right here. And there you go. And I guess when you're transferring like a transfer, you'll use this and scrape it onto the surface. You know, you got your transfer and then you just scrape it. And it helps to transfer it onto the other surface. Also, I have some furniture polish and lemon scented furniture polish. I don't mess around. Only the best for me. Lemon scented. And I found this foil backsplash wall sticker. And as you can see, it comes in all these different designs. And I chose, oh, there's a glare in the camera. I chose this design right here, which is right here. And I'm going to use it to decorate the side of an old dresser. And of course, I'm going to need more than one. So I will be going back. Also, I have this real pretty shower curtain. And there's the pattern right there. And I'm going to use this for a DIY. And also, I got 2 clear shower curtains. And these are for a DIY also. So you don't just have to use these for the shower, just use them for whatever you want. And while we're still talking about crafting or the DIY section, I bought this craft picker. I guess after you have rubbed down your transfer or burnished it, however you want to say, if you want to be proper, you can say burnish. You use this, see that? And that helps you to pick up the letters or letters that are cut out or numbers, and it helps to pick up those pieces that you need. And I also got this crafting spatula in the Crafter's Square section. I don't know why I picked this up. I don't know what I'm going to use it for. Maybe to stir some paint or to spread some spackle or some caulk around the bathtub. I really don't know why I picked this up. But there it is. I got it in case I need it. And also some chalkboard tags. I thought these were so cute for a DIY. You put these little tags on. You can use the string that's in there to hang it on things, or just don't even use the string. Just use this and stick it on something. And I also have some round ones. Now all I need is some chalk. I also have some Floral Moss. I bought 2 bags of this. The size is not too bad, but I think you can get more for your buck if you go to Joann's or Michael's and just buy a big bag. And I think you'll end up saving money as far as on what you'll pay for moss at the Dollar Tree. Look what I found at our Dollar Tree. I found these, they're called Cool Turtle. As I drop it, Cool Turtles. And it goes under your mask. And even though the mask mandate has been lifted, you never know when it might come back again. And so, you know what, I thought I'd grab these. There's 6 in here. And they're very comfortable. You can speak clearly when you're wearing these. No more smudged makeup, and they are washable. And that's what I like, because when we were all wearing the mask, I mean, the lipstick would be all over here and inside the mask, and just make it really disgusting. So a lot of times I just wouldn't even wear lipstick because I knew I was going to be wearing the mask. But these come in really helpful. So I'm glad I seen these. When I first walked into the Dollar Tree, they were sitting there right on the right in a big display, and so I thought I would try them, and not bad for $1.25, and there are 6 in here for $1.25, not bad. And I also got some storage bags. There's 1 extra large bag in here and 3 large bags in this one. So for storage, you know what, let's open it and see how big this extra large bag is. Wow, goodness. And it has a ziplock on the top and a handle. Wow, this is a pretty big bag. I mean, you can put groceries in here, or you can put clothes in here, or just all your junk. So yeah, nice. It's a really good size. I can put all the mess I just showed you all inside this bag. Now onto the beauty section of this video. And I found these glasses. They're only $1.25. I should have grabbed 7 of them and put 1 in each room, 1 in the car, 1 in my purse, because you know how many times we've gone out to eat and I can't read the menu because the writing is so small. And even when they tell you to scan the little barcode, sometimes even then it's too small. But I guess you could magnify it with, with your camera, with your phone, and make it bigger. But I love these. I just love the color, and I thought they were so cute. So I thought I would get me just 1 and try it for just reading. Oh, look at this color. I like it. Not bad, not bad at all. And here we go. Look at the pattern on the side. Cute. $1.25. And I found some nails. Pink and black with a design, and also some nail glue to go along with that. And last but not least, I found some Minnie Mouse little Kleenex packs to put in my purse and keep in the car. Now, were you all raised, depending on what era you were raised in, where the older people in your family, like your mother, your aunts, or your grandmother, told you that a lady never leaves the house without Kleenex in her purse? Well, I guess it's been a lot of times I haven't been a lady, because it's been a lot of times I've been without Kleenex in my purse. So now I'm going to keep some. Now I keep some in the car, and I always keep some in my purse, so I'm not caught slipping. So this is it for my Dollar Tree haul. And I think the most favorite thing that I did in this video were the glass knobs. I really like those. You know what? When you're making these videos, you have to remember to look into the little green light. I keep looking into the camera, but after a while, you'd think I would know to look into the little green light when doing these videos, so that way I am having eye contact with all of you. But anyway, I just had to get that out there. I digress. But anyway, the favorite part were the glass knobs, and I'm so glad that I got those, and I will be doing a DIY, and I will bring that to you. So thank you all for watching, and like I said, it's been a while, and it was good to be back. And all of you, stay safe and take care. Bye.